What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Right in front of us, we have a very odd and mixed market after the spike in the jobless claims report. Nonetheless, we still have tech, which managed to bounce back after being completely slaughtered yesterday. Well-deserved spike. So let's get right into the video. Tesla, which was our first day trade today. Sorry if I sound a little congested. We still managed to lock in a little bit over 1K on the day on Tesla, continuing our 4-day winning streak. You can see Tesla still pushing here after hours. Market just closed 15 minutes ago, but it's still pushing to the 631s right now. But here's the thing. You see this resistance line here at 646, or we'll call it 650. That's the trend line here that we have going on after it's pulling back from the highs of 669. Still has another higher low here at 659. So even if you guys swung this and hopefully it does gap up tomorrow so you guys can lock in some gains, if it hits 645 or the 650 level, it can still honor that resistance and pull back. If we look at the 1 hour, you can see it's still forming a semi head and shoulders pattern. It can pull back and possibly retest at $600 level, which tends to be like a pretty decent previous resistance. Hopefully it's now acts as a support level, or it can just completely bust the Tesla and blow past 650s and make new highs, which I'm not favoring. I don't think that'll happen. I think we probably will see some resistance here once again after it forms like this cup and handle here as well. So there's a lot of patterns you could formulate out of this, but that's going to be my guess. We touch the 650s and then we pull back. So we'll see. Like I said, I'll continue to day trade Tesla. I don't feel too comfortable swinging it, but nonetheless, it maintained this uptrend. Apart from this spike down here to 601, it held at midday pretty solidly. And I love when stocks do this, when they have a high here in the morning, typical ABCD textbook play, and it pushes into the end of the day, forming new or trying to reach some new highs. But Tesla, of course, I'm going to be watching it. Another stocks that I'm going to be watching, of course, we have the IPOs, which I did not end up trading. I think the pricing and the valuation is ridiculous, and it's apparent in the price itself. Airbnb hitting 165s and the lows of 141. There's nothing we could base the pattern off of. I mean, just IPO today, but I think we could possibly come down even lower. Dash, which not my favorite either, was spiking here into the close today. Trying to retest that 195.50, but I won't be day trading it. I'll just be watching these on the side. GLSI, and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of this stock, which made the news. I believe they had some breast cancer, something that has to do with breast cancer. I'll have to look into that, but it is pulling back as of now towards the 67.12s. I don't know how well this is going to recover, but of course you guys know I'm going to be watching the 50s for a support level, and you can see some resistance here again at the whole number of 100. So don't be surprised, guys, if we start pulling back towards the 50s. Neo, still waiting for that sub $43, sub $42 mark, headed down into 35s, which I plan to take a position around there. XPEV is another one I'm still waiting to pull back, hence I have my alerts here at the lows of 42.60s. And Zoom, which rebounded today, pretty nice spike, but keep in mind we have the whole number here at 400, which can act as resistance. SNDL has been on my back burner list. Still watching this bad boy. I know this one can have its spikes and its moments, so I'm gonna be waiting. But as of now, I don't think it'll. Right now, it's literally at a make or break point. It's having this descending triangle pattern here, not looking too bullish. But if it manages to break down 45, I'm probably gonna set my alert here because I'd be interested in buying sub this price. That's our Discord, guys. If you guys aren't in that, it's completely free. First thing down below. And if you guys are finding some value in this video, make sure you guys leave a like. It helps out tremendously. So I set my alert there. I'd probably be interested in possibly getting at 35 cents per share. But like I said, make or break here. It's either going to curl back up and retest the 50s, possibly even 60s, or it's just going to come down and give us a cheaper price to enter. Oh, Alibaba, another one that I'm still like teeter-tottering right around the 260s and the 265s. To me, that's not a lot of momentum there going on, but nonetheless, it's still trying to creep up above SMA. Comes down, has that resistance, comes down into EMA. So I think we can possibly retest the 260s, but almost like an SNDL pattern here. We have these lower highs, so keep that in mind. But that's pretty much it for my watch list, guys. Super short and sweet. Fridays usually are the slowest days for me, but we'll see what happens. We're on a hot streak right now, guys. Let's keep this going. Tesla is going to be my number one, of course, for tomorrow, and I'd probably throw in this GLSI. I'll probably have to look more into this one on the positive news catalyst, but as of now, it's not looking solid. It needs to find a support level, and my best guess here is possibly going to be the $50 mark. So watch these two stocks. We also have a couple of funny stocks, Dash and Airbnb, which are going to be pretty interesting to see tomorrow. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hopefully you guys found this of value. And once again, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, so you won't miss any of the content that's coming out. And I'll see you guys in the free chat room tomorrow, pre-market. Take care, everybody.